Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and ZIP archives on your XIAOMI Redmi 10C using app called RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the app. From here, open it and find the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack into this RAR or ZIP file. Now select all the files that you want to pack, click on this plus button, and from here you'll be able to customize how the file will look like and act like. So the first thing is to choose the name for this archive, and for me it's gonna be pictures. Next, choose the extension, and here you can select if the file will be RAR, ZIP or RAR 4.x. I'm going with RAR. Here you can also set the password for this archive, so let's make it very simple, 123. And if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can always show the password or encrypt the file names if you want. Click OK to save that, and there's 2 options which you can change right here. Here is delete files after archiving and create solid archive. In advanced you can find more advanced settings, and in the options you can find more options. In the comments you can leave any comment about your file, and after setting this archive, we can press OK, and it will be packed into this pictures.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.